Welcome back everyone to Just a Little Food. Today we'll be making chorizo and prawn pasta. So let's get started on this pasta. I have here 400 grams of green prawns, which we're going to fry off until it's cooked. Prawns are ready now. I'm going to pop them on the plate. I've cooked off the prawns, so now I'm going to chuck in 2 chorizo sausages and 1 diced red onion. I'm going to cook this till the chorizo is all golden and the onions all soft. The chorizos are ready. I'm going to throw in 2 cloves of crushed garlic. And now I'm just going to mix that all in. We have here 2 teaspoons of sweet paprika. And we have here 350 grams of pasta, which I'll just chuck in the pan. I will now throw in 400 ml of pasta sauce. And you can use any pasta sauce that you like. And 1 litre of chicken stock. And 2 bay leaves. I'm just going to let that simmer until the pasta is al dente. Okay, I'm going to add the prawns back in just to finish it off. Okay, see, this is done now. I'm just going to serve it up. And here we have it, our chorizo and prawn pasta. We hope you enjoyed this episode. Please don't forget to, and we'll see you next time. So these are ready. So the prawns are ready now. Oh wait, wrong camera. So the prawns are ready now. I'm going to leave the pasta to simmer. I'm going to leave the pasta to simmer. I'm going to leave the pasta to simmer until it's al dente, and the pasta sauce. Nah, I can't do it.